for Santé and for L'chaim. For those of you that don't know what L'chaim means, it means to life. And my ex-husband is doing L'chaim in Sing Sing right now. I came to America because of a Broadway show. I had a chance to meet and audition for a man that wrote songs like Buddy, can you spare a dime? And April in Paris, and happiness is just a thing called Joe. And it's only a paper moon, and all of those magical lyrics for that beautiful American film, The Wizard of Oz. His name was E.Y. Harburg, affectionately known to us that knew him as Yip. He was reviving a Broadway show that he wrote called Finian's Rainbow. And I'm proud to tell you, ladies and gentlemen, that I auditioned and I got the job. And right now, we'd like to sing one of the songs we got to do in the show. And I'd like to do it the way my beloved mentor and my friend, Yip Harburg, directed me. Thank you. I hear the bird, a glockenmorgen bird. It well may be he's bringing me a cheering word. I feel the breeze, a river shining breeze. It well may be follow me across the sea. Then tell me, please, how are things in Glockamore? Is that little brook still weeping there? Does it still run down through Donegal, through Killybegs, Kilkerry, and Kildare? How are things in Glockamore? Is that willow tree still weeping there? Does that laddie with a twinkling eye come whistling by? Or does he walk away sad and dreamy there, not to see me there? Or do I ask each weeping willow and each brook along the way, and each lad that comes a whistling to remain? Oh, how are things in Glockamore this fine day? Thank you. Do you mind if I sing an Irish song?
Oh, no.
All right? You don't mind? Can you give me an arpeggio, maestro, please? Huh? That's it, that's it. Over in Killarney,